Good day everyone, I am Joanny Bolañas
And I am Ravel Vince Andicoy,
and we're going to discuss the topic bonds.
So what is bonds? So bibigyan ko muna kayo ng short introduction kung ano ba talaga yung bonds. So for example, si company ABC wants to raise money for the construction of the condominium. She offered bonds, so si Mr. Vince nagpahiram siya ng money kay company ABC with a face value of 1 million pesos and a maturity or due date is 10 years and the coupon rate or the interest rate is 5%, which is ito yung marireceive ni Mr. Vince every year if this is annually, which is 5% of 1 million is 50,000 pesos mula kay company ABC. And then, pagdating naman ng maturity date or due date, ibabalik ni company ABC yung amount na 1 million na hiniram niya kay Mr. Vince. So ngayon, meron na kayong idea kung ano ba talaga yung bonds.
Now, to further understand what is bonds, let us read the definition. So it is stated here that bond is a form of a long-term investment issued by a corporation or government where purchaser becomes a creditor of the company. So just like what is stated earlier, si Mr. Vince is the purchaser ng bonds, ngunit siya yung binabayaran ng company ABC. Hence, a bond is very much like a loan. When a corporation is selling a bond, it is selling an IOU. When we say an IOU, it is a signed documents acknowledging a debt or utang, plus the interest a particular time. So ngayon, alam nyo na kung ano ang kaibahan ng stocks at saka bonds. Because when we say stocks, as investors or shareholders, bumibili sila ng shares ng company and then meron na silang part sa company or ownership. While sa bonds ay magpapahiram ka ng pera at may certain term or agreement kayo ng company na hanggang ilang taon lang at yung pera mo ay tutubo depende sa rate.
Additionally, if the loan is not repaid, the bondholders may take the corporation's equipment, buildings, or land. This guarantee is an agreement made between the corporation and a bank or trust company called the trustee. So when we say trustee, the trustee is appointed by the corporation to represent the bondholders as group in their transaction with the corporation. So in other words, si trustee, siya yung witness or eyewitness na meron transaction or contract between the corporation and the bondholders.
So that's all. We hope that you understand what is bonds.
Thanks for watching!